Okay guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So we're going to learn CAD today. I like to use Fusion. That's what I'm using. It's an Autodesk product. Um, my school gives it for me for free, so I like that a lot. So we're going to start. So first thing you do when you open up this, you get an untitled document. You can do a lot of them. We're going to save it. We're going to save it I don't know. We'll do, what should I name it? Engineering 1. We'll just name it Engineering 1. I'm saving it to my video tab. We'll just hit save. Okay, so now we're here. First thing you do to start a drawing, you go to Sketch. It's up at the top here. It's in Solid. And then you pick a plane. I'm going to pick the bottom plane. And then at the top here, you can still toggle between these, but we got to stay on Sketch for this. So, yeah. So here's all the things you can do in Sketch. You can do a line, simple, a rectangle, a circle, an arc, a polygon, an ellipse, a slot. I've never used that. Don't know how to use them. A spline, a conic curve, a point, text, mirror, circular pattern, rectangular pattern, project, and sketch dimensions. We'll use those a lot. You can also save the ones you like to the top. That's what I've done. Yeah, that's the create tab. There's a lot more you can do with this. It's cool. You can go to the modify tab, and then you can fill it, chamfer, blend curve, offset, trim, extend, break, sketch scale, and move and copy, and then change parameters. I don't like to do that. That's annoying. It takes forever, but it does help in the end if you're doing something big. On constraints, we got horizontal, vertical. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's just a lot of constraints. I don't even know half of these do. Configure, I've never used. Inspect, I like to measure with it, and that's about it. You can do center of mass. That's cool. I like that. You can display different components of different colors. I like that too. Insert, you can insert like fasteners from MasterCard, Mick MasterCard. Uh, insert the like just other things, decals, canvases. Insert SVG, insert DXF, insert MasterCard, insert mesh, insert manufacturer part, insert trace parts. Just a bunch of different things you can insert and then select, obviously. So today we're just going to be making something random. So we'll hit circle, and then we'll pull it out. We're going to do a 6-inch circle. 6 inches. I know that line's not perfect. I don't care. Also, if you want to change your units, you come up here to document settings. You just click the arrow down, and you go in here. You hit that, and then over here, you can change the unit type. I'm going to keep it on inches, but there's centimeters, millimeters, meters, inches, and feet. We'll just cancel that. And now we're gonna, I don't know, we're just gonna make random things on here to show you how CAD works. So we've got the circle already, and now we're gonna use a line, but I don't want this to be a solid line, so I'm gonna come over here. There's a construction. That will not make it show up on the last thing. And we'll just do 1.5 inches up from the middle, because we're gonna do something with it. We'll take another circle, put it on. We do not want this as a construction line. We want this as just a normal solid line. We'll put it as 0.5. Yeah. There you go. Now we got a circle, and it's 0.5 away, 1.5 away from the center. And we're gonna use the rectangular pattern. I like this. We're going to have it so it's symmetrical, so it goes both ways, symmetrical. We're going to pull it out that way. Why are you not? Oh, I gotta hit this one. Sorry, I gotta hit this one. There we go. Why are you doing this? There we go. Now there's 5 circles. I like that. Would okay. That was rectangular pattern. I like rectangular pattern. I actually do use it a lot. You can do a lot more with it. That's just one thing I showed you. And now we're gonna hit circular pattern. We're gonna hit the objects that we want. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Center point. We'll hit the center point of it, and it will go around in a circle. It's very easy to use, and I like it a lot because it's very like helps a lot when designing. How about we do 50? Yes. I can't do anything with that, so I'm not gonna do it. We'll go back and we'll just do. How about we just do 3 around in a circle? I like that. Like 3. Okay, there we go. We'll do 3. Okay, 3 around in a circle like that, so they all fit. After that, we're going to let's use rectangle, but I'm not going to use this is the one that you would usually use. This one 2-point rectangular, but I want to use the middle point. Yes, that's what we're going to do. We're going to pull it out till it hits this side, so both. Oh no, it won't be both equal. We'll just. I need it to be equal. How do I get it equal? Let's see. There we go. Yeah, we're not going to do that. We don't need that. But that's what you can do. You can come here. We'll actually do something. How about we just, we put it in the middle, over here. I'm trying to think. How about we do, we'll hit tab to go to the next one. We'll do 2 inches. No, not 20, just 2. And then we'll find it where it hits the circle. There we go. See, it looks kind of messy, so let's get rid of the dimensions. Well, actually, that doesn't really help. But yeah, this is just getting messy, I know. But we'll make it into a solid in a minute. So there we go. We got circles, lines, rectangular pattern, circular pattern. Oh, let's do offset. This is a good one that most people use. So you hit what you want. You hit offset. You hit what shape you want, and then I picked the one curve, and then you drag this or just type in how far you want it. We'll do 0.5 because so it's just easy. Then we'll hit that. Okay, there you go. It offset it more. Let's just say we want, what do we want? What else do we want? We need a lot. We can do an arc. Now let's do a polygon. Oh no, no one really uses polygons. I think we need to, we need to fillet something. So we'll take the ends of the square here and fillet them. So you take it, you hit both whatever ones you want, and see, it doesn't look like they're going to, but they'll all change. Not that don't work. Oh fudge, I messed up. Sorry, guys, I messed up on that one. I don't know what just happened. We got that and that. Okay. We'll do 1. Let's see if that works. Oh, no, okay. We'll just do 50.5. Why'd you do that? We have to fix that now. This is a good learning thing. It doesn't do it, so we'll just do 0.5 and fix it. There we go. Now everything's 0.5 filleted. Yeah. And also, I don't like how these are getting cut by that. So we're going to get rid of all the ones on the inside using this trim tool. Everything that gets intersected, we'll just get rid of. I don't like that. Yeah, it's annoying. Oh, look at that. That's barely getting intersected. Well, maybe it's not. No, it's not even getting intersected. Okay, that's good. Not getting intersected. Okay, now we're done this crazy sketch of absolutely learning how to do fusion. I'm sorry, guys. This is not the best video at all. But hopefully it helps a little bit. So look, now we got all these things. After that, we have our sketch, right? Now we gotta see what we want to do with it. We're gonna extrude most of this. I guess I'll show you how to do revolve. Revolve is easy to use. I'm gonna pull this down. We'll do -2 inches. Oh, look, our sketch is gone. That's because we gotta go into sketches and make it visible again. Now we're going to let's... No, we're not going to do revolve. Let's see what else. Oh, there's a ton of things you can do in here, but I'm not going to get into most of these because they're kind of weird. Extend, as you just saw me use. Revolve, that's a good one. Sweep, that's also a good one. I don't have anything set up for that. Loft, I've only used once. It's really hard to use. Rib, I don't have anything to rib, so I don't want to do that. Web, don't have anything to web, so I'm not going to do that. Emboss, I like this. It's just hard to use again. Hole, you can do that on Sketch. It's much easier to do on Sketch. Thread, I haven't used that in a while. Wait, I want to do this. Yeah. So we pick what we want to thread. Why is that like there? Why did it do that? That's weird. Oh, it's because of the type of thread. So you got to pick a different type of thread. Well, you know what? I want. Is there no? Nah, that's weird. We'll just do ANSI unified thread with size. Oh, that's the wrong one. 4-inch. Oh, that's the biggest thread they have. Makes sense. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. There you go. There's threaded now. I'm sorry, I didn't get into most of the threads. It's annoying. You got to look up the threads you need. There's a lot of things that go in threads. We learned them in engineering, but I just forgot most of them because there's a lot of them. So now we're gonna make some holes. Like I said, we're gonna take the parts we need, those. Then we're going to use the extrude and push them through. This is not a part I'm ever going to manufacture. I'm just showing you what you can do. I know it's kind of all over the place, but hey, everybody needs some of that. Oh, we forgot to extrude these. We're going to do that. If you really, I don't know if I'm ever going to really do a really, really in-depth video, but I'm going to use some of the most common like parts here in most of my videos. All the videos I use for when like designing things is what I'll use. I'll never use like super in-depth ones, like just about like designing, because I don't like that. I just like doing things that are fun. So yeah. So I'm probably not the best person to teach you how to design. Not even gonna lie. But yeah, so we're just gonna extrude a bunch. Because why not? There we go. Look at this awesome part. And now we can get rid of our sketch because we don't need that anymore. So now we have our thread and just a bunch of holes and a block. So you're like looking at this like, what do I do with this? Well, first, if you ever want to get it manufactured, you take it, you come up to design, and you go to drawing from design. And then hit it, full assembly, create new from scratch. No, wait, do I not have my templates? We'll just use my template I made. I made a template for school, so that's what we're going to use. It takes a little bit to load, but I'm going to show you how to do a drawing. I know this video isn't the best in the best detail, but I hope it helps. If not, I don't know. So you can see this is just a template I made. So we're going to put it down. There's my base view. And then for this, we need to pull another one out. And Fusion's nice because it does isometric for you and most of the dimensioning. I don't need that view because I already have it. This is going to be annoying. Okay, so here we go. So to start, you got to fill out your details at the bottom here. So project, this is engineering 1, title, part, for fun. I'm really bad at naming things, as you can tell. Yeah, we'll keep that. It's not right. That's funny. This template was made last year, 3 days ago. That's crazy. Gonna change the date. Scale, it's 1 to 2. That changes automatically. Sheet A. Finish properties. Okay. This is just my school's like, these are like common I can't think of the word. What the heck? Tolerances. There you go. These are common tolerances that my school uses for machining and engineering because we have that. So there we go. So we're gonna dimension everything. But first, this should not be clear because it's an isometric. So we'll double tap, and over here, you can change appearance, edge visibility, and automated center marks. We just need to change that to that. So now here we go. We got tons of holes. It's hard to read, and then tons of holes. It's hard to read. So for dimensions, we're gonna go down and see what we need. We just need normal dimensions. Where are hole notes? Are they in here? They're in text, aren't they? Yeah. So there's hole notes and thread note. We'll use that for this one. And then you just pull it out and it does it. Very nice. Okay, there's a thread note for it. And then since these are just normal holes, we'll just do radius and radius. Well, those are diameters actually, sorry. This a radius because it's a whole circle will always have a diameter as a dimension, but if it's like a half circle or something, it's only going to do the radius. We'll do that. I don't need those. Oh, it does have generative and like dimensions, but they are annoying to use. So if you're ever designing anything, my suggestion is just oh no. Oh yeah, I accidentally hit it. So this is what it does. This is generative dimensioning. As you can see, it's super crowded and you don't need that. Oh no. Let's hit back. Please work. There we go. Okay, we don't need all that stuff. Don't ever do that unless it's really simple and it can only do like a couple dimensions and you just don't want to do. But most of the time you don't need that. I really don't need to put all these holes as 0.5, but I'm going to. And with the fillets, I'm going to do the radius as 0.5 because that's what it is. And then from here to there, like look at this. This looks disgusting already. It's messy. I'm not the best at dimensioning, but we're going to do it like this anyway because it's not the best design. So I'm going to show you how this should not be. This should not be look like this. So if your designs ever look like this, you should fix them. You can pull it in there, pull it in there. That you can't pull it anywhere. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. This one you should pull in here. So it's a little better. It's not perfect still, but yeah. So then, what am I missing on here? I'm missing the diameter of the full circle. 7. They're 7 inches. These are all in inches. I think it says it in the title block. No, it doesn't. That's weird. Usually it says inches. Well, that's weird. I might need to put that. I'm gonna put that in the. I'm gonna put that under. Also, why are you not typing? In inches. Just if this ever happens, just say that. So anybody who's ever going to manufacture from a blueprint that you give them, do that. Put like if there's any notes you need to put it down here. Do it because it helps a lot. Trust me. So yeah, now we can do this diameter. It's 2 inches high. Barely need anything here. Oh, we need how long the holes are. Just 2 inches by 2 inches. So I don't even need that. Really? I think I'm done with dimensioning here. So yeah, why are you not deleting? Delete. There we go. Okay. So really, I'm done with dimensioning. There's not many to dimension here. I know it's messy, and I went really fast. I'm sorry, but this isn't the worst. So yeah. And also, if you don't want all of these holes in here, which you should have them, because that's how the design works, you can just go into here and do that. But it just looks like a square now. So yeah. There you go, guys. So yeah, we're done. So in order to save it, you just save it. You save it to video or whatever, save, and you can print it out whenever. Yeah. So I'm sorry, guys, I went a little fast, but I hope that taught you a little bit about just designing on Fusion and CAD. If not, I'm sorry. I'll just, through the videos I'm going to make, all the ones I'm going to continue CAD. So if this didn't help at all, the other ones will. I'll talk through them. I'll help you learn CAD. I like CAD a lot. It's a very useful tool. And if you're just going to ever build anything, design it in CAD first. And this does have simulations. I don't like them. They're annoying and it costs money, so I'm not going to do them. But I'll do animations another time. Animations are easy to do. Rendering is pretty cool because it shows you how all the materials like look real. Really, this is just steel right now. Generative design, never used that, but I think we might because it's actually pretty cool. Design, that's what I'm on right now. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and go watch all the other videos. And if you have anybody who you know who likes engineering, check us out. Come on, it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. See you next.